Indian Council of Social Sciences Research ICSSR Gimbiang Makhada Research and Development Cell, Manipur University, Manipur Institute of Management Studies, MIMS MU Amade, Institute of Educational and Development Studies, IETS Noida, Napuna Kotsamana Sinduna 2-week capacity building program for youth faculty members on recent advancement in social sciences Haibahiramda Chathagadaba workshop program Houdokhre Thoram Ama MUG MIMS Auditorium the Houdokhre Thoram Aduna Manipur University Vice Chancellor Professor Enhancement Singh, the Chief Case Research and Development Cell MUG Director Professor CH Ibohol Medina President School of Social Sciences MUG Dean Professor Memchal Loitongbam, MIMS MUG Director Professor Prabhakar Laishram Amadi English and Foreign Language University Hyderabad Ki Hanage, Dean Professor Sudhakar Venukapalina, Guest of Honor Singona Sarugyaki, Thorongamari Lenana Research and Development Cell MUG Professor CH Ibohol Metina Hai Kibada, Chayol and Chathagadaba Program Asina faculty members Singi Marakta, Knowledge, Research, Innovation, paper published Toba Yauna, Ideas Sing Exchange Tomang Lagani Haiki, Program Asina faculty members in the Social Sciences Pilamda, Ladiba Field Sing the Chowkot Hanbada Hena Komang Chowsin Bada Mating Oiragani Haiki, JFK's Kiwaro Piraduna MUG Vice Chancellor Professor and Lokendrona Haikibada, Houdokhre Matamgi Matung Ina Productive Oiba Mawonga Research Tobagi Tangai Fadaba Lakdi, Akona Hiram Kiada Research Tawagasu Madugi, Outcome Laitragadi, Sijina from Leroy Haiki, NEP 2020 Nahanagi Leramba Teaching Method Sing Loktokuna, Multidisciplinary Course Sing that Ahinba Ming Tamlok Pasina Awan Bama Lakagani Haiki. Masidagi Houdokhre program asina faculty members singi marakta ahenba knowledge fangbang ngamlagani haiki program asida maming lairaba university singdagi expert yauna tongan ba film sing dagi resource person kiana technical session sing the saru yagadori.
We give you the opportunities of interacting various resource persons. We are having around 8+ resource persons from outside the university. People from media practitioners, editors of Hindu and various other chairpersons, including our member secretary of ICSSR, Professor Dhananjay Singh. He also will be joining in between these.